welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Astrid. Today's video is gonna be a fun one. It's gonna be a PR unboxing haul full of a bunch of stuff that these companies have sent me to share with you. If you aren't already subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And of course, give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more PR unboxing hauls from me. I may have been a little impatient and opened a couple, but the rest should be my genuine reaction on camera. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start off with a small package to begin with, and this is from Cloven Hollow. These are so cute, but they go absolutely everywhere. So I'm just gonna dump this over here. Ooh, they have really cute packaging. They sent me a makeup palette. That is super cute. Okay, so Cloven Hollow sent me a bronzing powder, and this is what it looks like. They also sent me a liquid skin tint, a lip glaze, a hydra tint, and the super cute Sunrise Pressed Pigment palette. And it looks like this. It's got some pretty colors in there. They sent me a little note, but they didn't say anything. Thank you, Cloven Hollow, for all the goodies. I'm super excited to try all these goodies out. Next is this big old box. I don't know what's in it. I already opened it, but I don't know what's in it. It says IPL Rejuvenation and Hair Removal Instrument. Alrighty, and I think it just slides out. Let me see if it slides out. There it is. Ooh, it's a Pro S1 hair removal technology. Let me see if I can open the box. This is what it looks like on the inside. Just has a little machine, and they sent me a little booklet. All right, this next one is from Dossier, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And I think these are perfumes, y'all. These are super cool perfumes I heard about. They reached out to me via email, and they were like, hey, like we have like perfumes that we make ourselves that are like dupes of the most popular super expensive perfumes. And I was like, oh, I'm down for that. All right, so the first one is the flavor Floral Brown Sugar. It's inspired by YSL's Mon Paris perfume. And let me show y'all the packaging. This is what it looks like on the inside. It says iconic scents, designer quality, and no markups. So yeah, there's Floral Brown Sugar, and they sent me one more. I'm excited to see what this one is inspired by. Ooh, it's called Floral Honeysuckle, and it's actually inspired by Gucci's Bloom. So I'm super excited to check these out and try these. So thank you, Dossier, for sending me these gifts. I really appreciate it. So this one is by Senseno, your home enhancer. This is actually a company on Amazon that I reached out to, and they sent me an 18-piece makeup organizing set. So like, you know how you can organize all your makeup in cute little like clear trays? Definitely excited. Thank you so much, Senseo, for sending me these goodies. I'm super excited to try them out. You guys are definitely going to be getting a vanity organization video here very shortly, because I love those videos. I watch them non-stop on TikTok. Okay, so it's not a box, but Sweet Sweat sent me their waist trimmer. Yeah, let's check this bad boy out. It comes in a cute little bag, and it says Sweet Sweat wash cold gentle cycle, do not bleach, hang dry, no heat wash bag. It's a cute little wash bag, and this is just self-explanatory. This is just, you know, the little band that goes around your waist to work out in. Thank you so much, Sweet Sweats, for sending me this little waist trimmer. I'm definitely gonna be wearing them when I work out, so thank you so much for this. Lastly, just this huge old box. I reached out to another Amazon company that sells a bunch of like makeup organization stuff. So they sent me a cosmetic organizer. This is like for your palettes and stuff. They also sent me, what is this? Oh, these are so cute. These are cotton swabs holder. I think I'm gonna put this in the bathroom, but like it's still vanity stuff, you know what I mean? And then lastly, they sent me the 360 makeup organizer. You know, like the little thing that spins in a circle and like you can put a bunch of cute little stuff on it. I'm definitely gonna be doing a vanity organization video for you guys with all of these things that I got, simply because I love organizing stuff, and the ASMR is chef's kiss. It looks like that is everything that I got. Just kidding, I had two more things. So I actually unboxed both of these already, but Spa Sciences sent me their Mio, and this is just a diamond microdermabrasion and pore extraction skin resurfacing system. My last PR box, is from Slide. And if you didn't already know, Slide is a really nice jewelry company. And if you're a content creator or an influencer, you can actually apply to become an ambassador. And all you pay every single month is $10 for the shipping. And they'll send you a cute little box of jewelry. Comes in this super cute velvet little bag. I'm literally so excited to try all of these little gifts and goodies, but I definitely hope you guys liked this video. Let me know if you would like another PR haul video for me in the future, and just sharing all these things that I get from companies to share with you. And that concludes this PR haul. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me and my channel out a lot. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Step out, get some air now, let your air